Hi everyone, I am Anand from Nest and we are back with another Japanese video. In this video, we are going to talk about Japan and Japanese language, all the writing styles in Japanese language. Again, okay. First, we are going to talk about Japan. Japan is an island nation located in East Asia. And how many island is Japan consisted of? Guys, you let me know in the comments. Okay. So it is a very cultural rich country with their advanced technology and beautiful landscapes. And they have very modern cities, for example. Okay. Yeah. And now we're going to talk about some history of Japan's history spans thousands of years. From early hunter-gathering societies to rise of samurai, Japan is also known as the land of the sun and the Meiji Restoration. When first Japan was not opened its boundaries, so it was a very closed economy. After that, the Meiji Restoration modernized Japan and leading to rapid industrialization. After World War II, Japan emerged as a global economic power. Okay. The famous mountain from Japan, you have heard about Mount Fuji. Japan's highest peak is an iconic and popular destination for climbers and tourists uh, trekking season. Part of the Fuji Hakone is a national park. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Next, the famous food on sushi, made from fish. It is a fish or vinegar rice. It is a like sweet dish and often eaten by many people or many foreigners too. Very famous abroad and as well as in. Okay, so now we are going to talk about Japanese. Japanese language is basically consisted of three writing scripts: Kanji, Hiragana, Katakana. Okay, three writing scripts: Kanji, Hiragana, Katakana. First, we're gonna talk about Hiragana. Hiragana is a cursive flowing syllable, very primarily used for native Japanese words, grammatical elements, endings. It was originally developed by women. Okay, so we're gonna talk about it here. And katakana. Katakana is basically used for foreign words, foreign language words. Or kanji. Kanji are Chinese characters which used to convey whole words concept like they are using compound words like nouns or verb stems. We're gonna talk about this in deep. Okay? So first, we're gonna talk about hiragana. Hiragana, tree of hiragana is first it was developed during the Heian period, 794 to 1185 from simplified Chinese characters. Kanji is basically derived from Chinese characters. There are different characters, Chinese characters, and hiragana is also derived from those characters. Okay, they're consisting of 46 letters. For example, ABC in English. Similarly, Japanese we have hiragana and katakana. Scripts have different letters. They do seem similar, but they use different letters. Because it was called women's writing, as it was originated from women, mainly used by women at that time. So it basically in literatures or diaries, women used to revert and write in hiragana. Modern use for hiragana, it's used for native words, grammar endings, particles. For example, you can see konnichiwa and hiragana, and its meaning is hello, Japanese. Next, we're going to talk about katakana. Katakana in Japanese history, it is developed in the Heian period only, developed by Buddhist is developed by Buddhist monks as a simplified shorthand for reading Chinese text. Chinese characters, the kanji, are very over complex at that time. So, simplify that, these monks created katakana. Modernly, it is used for foreign words like loan words, for example, you can see pizza or brand names or sound effects like wow one for oof oof. So, we use modern use of katakana is for loan words, brand names, and so on. Often seen in advertising menus, tech terms, or if you wanna change your name or like you wanna pronounce your name in Japanese, it is mostly written in the katakana. Okay? Now we are going to talk about kanji, the most important thing in writing Japanese language is kanji, borrowed from China around the 5th century. Okay. Chinese language is completely consisting of kanji, but in Japanese we use a mix of kanji, hiragana, and katakana. These three writing styles are used. Okay. So kanji is originally used by scholars and government officials. Okay, and each kanji has two types of reading. First, its original reading known as onyomi, which is the Chinese reading of that kanji. And second is kunyomi. Kunyomi is the Japanese reading or the reading created by Japanese people for that kanji. Okay. Basically, a kanji has two readings, kunyomi and kunyomi. Kunyomi, the original reading, and kunyomi, the other reading created by the Japanese people. Okay. Modern day use of kanji used in nouns, compound sentences, verbs, terms of verbs, adjectives, and names. Kanji is the most important and biggest part of Japanese language. Okay, it gives meanings and help distinguish homophones, one combined with hiragana and katakana in daily writing. So let's look at an example how these all are used in a sentence. For example, this is a sentence. The sentence is this: Ashtawa supa de pan ho kaimasu means tomorrow I'll buy bread at supermarket. Or buy bread at supermarket tomorrow. Let's do the breakdown. First, two letters. These two letters are kanji. For tomorrow, it is read as ashta. Ashta wa. This is hiragana. Wa. Supa. Supa is supermarket. Japanese it is called super. Supa. De. It is again hiragana. Pan. Pan means bread. Bread in Japanese it's called pan. Pan. O. Basically, wa, they, oh, these are all particles. Okay, hiragana is used in particle. Then this is last, this is verb of to buy, kaimas. I'll buy tomorrow. Ashtava, supade, pano, kaimas. The verb, which is first letter, is kanji, and the rest is written in hiragana. Okay, so basically this sentence, Ashtava, supade, pano, kaimas. I'll buy bread at the supermarket tomorrow. This is the background of the sentence. Okay, kanji, kaimas, hiragana, wa, te, katakana. Okay, this is an example how these all are used in a sentence. Okay, yeah, that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. And if you guys have any doubt, do let me know in the comments. Bye bye, matane, sayonara.